If you bought a computer recently, you might want to look away, because Apple is dropping a massive bomb on the desktop market. The whispers pouring out of the supply chain about the upcoming M5 Mac Mini are a warning to every PC manufacturer on Earth. We are talking about a machine so overpowered, it threatens to make your current setup feel like a relic. From a super-core architecture that slices through workflows to a hardware-level AI upgrade that rewrites the rulebook, the M5 is breaking boundaries. But there is a massive catch regarding price and release date you must hear. The previous generation completely disrupted the market, proving you did not need a massive, power-hungry tower to get professional work done. But the M5 generation is not just a simple spec bump, it is a fundamental paradigm shift in desktop silicon. Leaks point to a completely revised 3nm manufacturing process. Apple has packed even more transistors into the exact same microscopic physical space without increasing heat output. This efficiency is the magic ingredient allowing for what the supply chain calls the supercore. The base M5 chip is rumored to feature a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, but these are vastly different from anything seen before. Apple is redesigning the performance cores for unprecedented single-threaded speed. The immediate responsiveness of the computer is going to be staggeringly fast. The supercore utilizes increased front-end bandwidth and a revamped cache hierarchy. Inside the Mac Mini, where the chip does not have to throttle to save battery, it is going to be unleashed. We anticipate a massive 15 to 20% jump in raw multi-threaded performance. But raw speed is only the beginning. The biggest selling point of the M5 Mac Mini is artificial intelligence. The new 10-core GPU architecture features a dedicated neural accelerator integrated into every single graphics core. Combined with a massively upgraded 16-core neural engine and wider memory bandwidth, the M5 is projected to deliver up to 4 times the peak AI compute performance of its predecessor. If you use AI upscaling software, run local large language models, or rely on Apple Intelligence features built into macOS, this tiny box will process those tasks instantly. It is effectively a dedicated AI workstation disguised as an entry-level desktop computer. If you are a professional video editor scrubbing 8K timelines, a 3D animator building complex worlds, or a music producer running hundreds of heavy instruments, Apple is preparing the M5 Pro Mac Mini. The leaked specifications are terrifying for the competition. Built on a groundbreaking fusion architecture, we are looking at a potential 18-core CPU and up to a 20-core GPU. It will support up to 64 GB of unified memory, boasting bandwidth over 300 GB per second. That is the raw power that used to require a massive Mac Studio, now engineered to fit perfectly under your monitor. It will also feature hardware-accelerated mesh shading and dynamic caching, drastically improving performance in high-end gaming and 3D rendering engines. The most exciting upgrade for the M5 Pro model might actually be the connectivity. The base M5 Mac Mini will absolutely feature the incredibly capable Thunderbolt 4 standard. But supply chain leaks heavily suggest the M5 Pro Mac Mini will be the first of its kind to feature the brand new Thunderbolt 5 standard. Each Thunderbolt 5 port is driven by its own custom controller, unlocking up to 120 gigabits per second of bidirectional bandwidth. You can finally connect multiple ultra-high-resolution external displays running at insanely high refresh rates without a single visual hiccup. More importantly, you can daisy-chain ultra-fast external NVMe storage arrays that read and write data at the exact same speeds as the internal hard drive. You will never face a bottleneck when editing massive files directly off an external drive ever again. For an entire decade, consumers relentlessly criticized Apple for selling premium computers with a frankly insulting 256 gigabytes of base storage. In a modern world where a single video game or localized AI model takes massive space, 256 gigs is practically unusable. Well, the dark ages are finally over. Following the recent trend set by their latest laptop releases, every reliable industry analyst is confided. Intel predicting that the absolute cheapest, entry-level M5 Mac Mini will finally come standard with 512 GB of lightning-fast NVMe storage. Apple recently made 16 GB of RAM the absolute minimum across their entire lineup. This fundamentally changes the value proposition. You are getting a machine right out of the box that will easily last you for the next 7 to 8 years without hitting a memory or storage wall. You might be wondering if Apple is going to change how the Mac Mini actually looks to accommodate all this new power. The answer is almost certainly no, and that is fantastic news. Apple just recently overhauled the Mac Mini chassis, shrinking it down to an astonishing 5x5-inch footprint. Because that redesign is so fresh and highly praised, Apple is keeping the exact same sleek exterior for the M5 generation. The changes are entirely internal. The thermal architecture has been further optimized to handle the M5 chip, which is already incredibly energy efficient. The innovative bottom vent cooling system provides sustained, unthrottled performance, ensuring that even the mighty M5 Pro chip will not slow down under a heavy rendering workload. You get absolute desktop-class power without the obnoxious jet engine fan noise of a traditional Windows PC tower. With a revolutionary new CPU architecture, dedicated hardware-level AI processing, Thunderbolt 5 on the Pro models, and doubled base storage, how much is Apple actually going to charge for this? The previous generation shocked the entire industry by starting at just $599. Because the base storage is jumping to 512 gigabytes, some supply chain reports indicate Apple might raise the starting price to $699 to offset the cost of the larger SSD. However, other highly placed insiders argue that global memory prices have dropped enough for Apple to aggressively maintain the $599 price tag. Their ultimate goal is to dominate the desktop market entirely and get as many people as possible locked into using their new Apple Intelligence features. Even if it does launch at $699, there is not a single Windows computer on the market that can compete with that level of premium value. All signs are pointing to a release in the first half of the year, very likely aligning perfectly with Apple's massive WWDC event in June. Because the M5 Pro caters directly to developers and heavy workflows, that event is the perfect stage for a grand reveal. If your current machine is literally crashing every day and you need a computer tomorrow to earn a living, buy one now. But if your setup is still breathing, you absolutely must hold out for the M5 Mac Mini. The jump in AI processing, the base storage increase, and the sheer longevity this machine offers make it a monumental upgrade. It is not just the next Mac Mini, it is the blueprint for the next decade of desktop computing.